Michelle wanted to measure the height of her school's flagpole, and she's doing this indirect measurement trick, which is you place a mirror on the ground, and then you walk backwards until you see the top of this thing that you're trying to measure, and however high your eyes are, that's going to be proportionate to your distance to the mirror, same as the height of the thing you're trying to measure is to the distance to the mirror. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Let's take a look. This 5 feet is to this 12 feet as this something feet is to this 48 feet. Okay, so we could say 5 is to 12 as, who knows what that's called? Let's call it x. X is to 48. And then we're going to diagonal cross products property says multiply the diagonals. And what do we get when we do that? We get 5 times 48, which is, let's just write it as 5 times 48 equals 12 times x. So that's 12x. And this is 5 times 48 is 240. And when you divide both sides by 12, you get 20. And what's the units? The whole thing was measured in feet, so 20 feet.